After a long day of setting tile, the last thing you want to do is clean a dirty Thinset bucket.
Dude, this is amazing. Look at this. I'm never gonna clean a bucket again in my life. Hey guys, Frankie Martinez here with How to Tile Like a Pro, and today I'm excited to try out this very new product. This was sent to me by the people who make this. It's called the Bucket Saver. Sounds like it's a dream come true. We'll see how good it works. We'll put it to the test. So it's actually 3 millimeters thick. It's made of rubberized silicone material. So the idea about this is you're just supposed to grab your regular 5-gallon bucket and you put this on the inside of it. Fits really good. This is the first time I'm using it, so let's check it out together. But so it fits really good. You're supposed to be able to make your Thinset in here, and you don't have to clean your buckets anymore because you're just supposed to leave it in there. The next day, you just pull this out, and you're supposed to be able just to fold it inside itself, and the Thinset pops out without having to clean your bucket. So if that works, it's gonna be a really great product. Very excited to try it out. We're doing some flooring on this project, so a lot of Thinset making. At the end of the day, we're not gonna clean the bucket, and I'm sure not many of you are gonna complain about that, because who likes to clean the bucket at the end of the day? You're tired, you wanna go home, get out of there, beat traffic. Last thing you wanna do is clean a bucket. So this could actually be a favorite if it works the way it's supposed to. It's supposed to be able to handle the paddle, even beating against it as you're mixing, which is honestly my biggest concern. I'm not sure how it's gonna handle the paddle beating against it, because sometimes our buckets don't even handle that. They give out eventually. So, but we're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. Another cool feature about this bucket, I don't know if you can see here, is it does have measuring markings here at gallons and different liters there, so that's cool. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and put this to work and let's see what it does.
Here's the paddle that we're gonna use to make our Thinset. All day we were scraping our trowel against the side of the bucket saver every time we got Thinset out and along the top edge, so I'm curious to see how it's going to hold up. Since it's my first time using it and not sure how it works, I decided to clean up the top edge and scrape down the sides. I scrubbed the top edge with a sponge and wasn't sure if I needed to scrub the inside of it or not, so I just scrubbed half of it so I can test it out.
So here we are on the second day. I did clean up this side, and I didn't clean this side up. Let's see if I can pull this sucker out. There, oh wow, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see, I think you're supposed to fold it out. Let's see what it does. Wow, here we go. Here we go. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Look at that. Now this is actually cool. You can see the imprint. There's a little anchor right here. I don't know what you can do with this, but look at this. It did not stick at all to this. And now I'm looking at what was the inside of the bucket saver, and I see no visible scratches at all, especially along the bottom where we were running that paddle against it. That's super impressive. Super impressive. Let's see about this stuff. I mean, maybe I should have just scraped it down. This stuff came off nice. This stuff looks like if you just bend it, yeah, there you go, just falls right off. All right guys, so check out this bucket. We left it, I did not clean anything at all on it. It was Friday, we left it like that. Let's see how this thing works. Here we go, pulling it right out of the bucket. Ooh, look at that. This comes right off. So since there's not a lot, it's kind of hard to bend it down, but let's see, I think I got it. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Look at that. Wow. Well, I'll tell you what, it's a lot better doing this on a Monday morning than a Friday at 5 o'clock. Look at that, it doesn't stick at all. And the ones that do, you just kind of fold it like that and it just pops right off. I don't think I'm ever gonna clean a bucket again in my life. Yeah, I'm never gonna clean a bucket again in my life. It's a great product. Even though this product was sponsored, I'm giving you my honest opinion, and I think it's a really great product, as you can see right here. Dude, this is amazing. Look at this. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. So you just fold it. Isn't that crazy? This is awesome, bro. You better buy these. Dude, this is unbelievable. Look at that, bro. Really cool. I'm gonna do another video because I'm curious to see how long this can last. It lasted a great full day yesterday. We made honestly about 6 to 7 full Thinset buckets with it. No visible damage at all. What I'm gonna personally do is I'm gonna be tallying on this how many buckets of Thinset it can go through before it actually gets destroyed or gets a hole or a tear in it. So make sure you subscribe to see that next video. They're about $80 right now, which seems very pricey, but if you don't have to keep buying buckets, if it can last, I would say, I don't know, a good couple months. Hopefully I prefer at least 6 months. That would be ideal. It's gonna be a no-brainer for me. Also, you're not just saving money from having to buy buckets, but you're saving a lot of work that nobody wants to do. So for me, like at the end of the day, last thing we want to do is clean a bucket. Sometimes we just throw the bucket away, get a new one. If you're an installer and you have a helper, I'd say let your helper buy this. Give your helper an option. He can either clean your buckets or buy a bucket saver and make his job a lot easier. Overall, really great product. Really like this bucket saver. There's links in the description below to get more info. Make sure you check it out. If you want to buy one, there's a link right there. You can help support this channel as well. Make sure you like and subscribe for the best tile content.